So today I'm going to show you how to overcome this challenge whereby we have submitted your name, your WhatsApp name and your display name for WhatsApp, and it has been approved but has not been effected on your WhatsApp chatbot, right? So you notice that here I have a notification that says congratulations, your display name Adventist Media Digital Hub was approved. So what we need to do now, well, of course, in this case, I fixed it using the method that I'm going to show you now. But sometimes you may see an error here telling you that your name change was approved, your display name was approved, but it's not showing, right? So in my case right now, you can see that it's saying name visible to customers, right? Because of what I did, what I'm about to show you, right? So what you need to do is to make a request, another request, or kind of like re-register your number, but it is different from that method where WhatsApp sends an OTP and stuff like that. So let me show you. I'll attach this code. It's PHP. You can use whatever programming language that is comfortable with you. So in this case, I use PHP. So I'll attach the PHP code in the description below, right? So here is the code that does that, right? So WhatsApp API endpoint, right? Now, this is the link that you're going to use, right? So it might change, really. It depends on when you are viewing this video, especially here on V24 version 24. There might be a latest version at the time of viewing this video, right? So what you need to be aware of is that you need to replace on the code that I'm going to give you in the description. You need to replace this with your phone number ID, right? You need to replace that with your phone number ID. You can get your phone number ID on your developers portal. You go to your developers portal and then you see your number. There is my number there, and then the phone number ID. This is the phone number ID. So what you need to do is to copy, right? So when you've copied that, you can then go to this code and then you replace. So mine is already like that, right? And then you go to the access token, right? So I'm sure you know how to create an access token, and you should never expose this publicly. That's why mine is hidden at the moment. So you put your access token there, and then here under messaging product WhatsApp, under pin, this is the OTP. This is the OTP, or this is the this is the OTP. There's a code that I believe you set this code somewhere here. When you go to your numbers, to your WhatsApp phone numbers, you go to more two-step verification. So mine here says change pin because the pin, I've already set the pin. So if you did set the pin, and you should know that this pin is not a pin that you get from WhatsApp, it's a pin that you set yourself. So I'm not sure if at the time of viewing this video it is still that case. So if it's not set up, all you need to do is to come select here and turn on two-step verification. Then that's the pin that you're going to use there. So after all this is done, you can save this, and then you go to that. For example, mine is under register, so in mine it's AI. That's the link. That's where there's register.php. So when I click enter here, I should see success because the changes have been effected. So if you don't see success, you're going to see an error, and then you're going to know what really is the problem. So this is the API response, success true. It means that the changes have been effected. So that is how you can change. Now I've seen other people saying you need to come here and enable two-step verification and it's going to work. It didn't work for me, so that's why I was using this method. So let me know if it works for you.